Y'all, I am not, absolutely not the kind of queen that gets upset or bothered or worried about anything that's going on this planet. But for some reason, this coming Hurricane Milton, has me, I don't know, I don't get like this about anything. COVID, other hurricanes. The last time something bothered me like this was the earthquake in Haiti. I had a dream of it 3 days before it happened. But with Hurricane Milton, I feel really uneasy. I don't know what's going to happen, but if you are in Florida and you're in the path of Hurricane Milton, I really think you should listen to what they're saying when they say evacuate. My heart is not feeling good about this at all. And I feel like it's more than what, even though everybody's saying, oh, it's a category 5, I feel like it's way more than just that. I don't know why, but category 5 is really bad. I mean, Hurricane Helene was category 3. So can you imagine? This is going to be a historical hurricane. I mean, period, point blank, get the hell out. Why would you still be there? You only have until Wednesday. It just does not sit right with my soul and my heart. If you have a chance to get out of the path of Hurricane Milton, please do so. And matter of fact, you don't have to listen to me. I'm not even going to get into what I am. It doesn't even make a difference. If your life is in jeopardy, you should leave. Yes. And yeah, I can say it. I'm a psychic empath. And something's not right. You guys should leave as soon as possible. Ashe.